Hi, my name is Christopher Balke and I am the owner of All City Brick Staining. Right now we're in Sanlando, Florida, working for Albu Construction, who hired us to color correct some mortar joints. Now the YouTube channel is going to be about our business, brick staining. The products that we use, we'll get more into that in a different episode. It will teach you tips and tricks, how we do our work, the unique trade that we are into, and hopefully one day maybe help you guys get into brick staining. But right now, this episode, we're going to talk about color correcting mortar joints. So like I said, we're at Sanlando Christian School in Sanlando, Florida, outside of Orlando. And now you guys can leave comments on what you think happened to the mortar. We don't like to get, we know what happened, but we don't like to get into the middle of it, as we work for all companies, so we don't like to throw anybody under the bus, especially our brotherhood. So we just come and correct these issues. But as you can see up there, that's I already stained up there, but that's the color the mortar is supposed to be. And as you can see from here down low, it doesn't have the gray. You can see it up close. And so I'm here with my youngest brother Colin. Colin's around the corner over there somewhere. We'll get to Colin later, but we're out here just helping out and keeping them from having to grind out these joints and retuck point them, which would have been a nightmare and a lot of money. So we offer an opportunity for customers to save money, time, carbon footprint. This is an eco-friendly product that we use. So ultimately, we're the best solution for when these issues happen. With the 30-year maintenance-free warranty, technically our products are going to make the mortar joints last longer, now that they're water repellent as well. So, anyways, that is what we're going to be doing. So I will show you a little bit. This is now, I custom made this. I had to custom mix this. Once I got on site to color match the color that was what it was intended to be. So there's the product in there. You have to stir it really well. The color pigments will settle. So to keep it uniform, keep stirring that up. Now for the mortar joints, I will take this right across here and pull it across in one direction. Now keep pulling it. Oh, some rubbers on there. And then I blend it in with the color that's on there. So pull these up. And as you can see, that was a lot faster than grinding it out and tuck pointing it. If anything drips on there, we'll scrape that off. But there's still product on here, so I'm just going to pull it up. You can tell it's getting a little bit low on the product. I should have enough for these vertical joints. So you can see the difference. And then once again, stir this up. Take a little bit off there, come back up, put it on heavy, and drag it along. There we go. That's it. So I gotta get back to work because they're expecting us to get out of here after today. But you can see right there, it's already blending in, and we'll get back to you. Thanks, Albu, for hiring All City Brick Staining to come and do your work. Albu Construction, they do great work.